Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get no ads on Twitch. Keep watching the video till the end. To get no ads on Twitch, firstly open your Google search. Type in web store and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Tap on the first link shown on the page. On the search box, type in Tamper Monkey. Choose the extension option and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Click on it and tap on Add to Chrome option right next to the application. On the next page, click on User Scripts and under Search for User Script, type in Twitch Ad and make a search. Click on Twitch Ad Solutions. Scroll down and under Script section, press on User Script option. It will take you to the source code page. Tap on Install button and that is how you can get no ads on Twitch application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.